Hello my friends, welcome to Internet Electronic Channel. This is Uncle Misha, and today we have yet another Wyze product on our bench. This one is Wyze Cam V4. Yes, 2.5K color night vision. I'm curious, this is 2.45K video stream? Probably yes. Alright, it's a bit bashed here. I don't know how that happened. So I bought this probably a little bit less than months ago. Unfortunately, things got in the way and I couldn't have time to do proper review and unboxing. So let's do it together right now. So, but before we go there, let's check the features of the camera. It claimed it has color night vision, 2.5 HD resolution, IP65 weather resistant, integrated light, two-way audio, 24/7 recording, motion and sound detection, instant messages, remote live streaming. This is all actual app features. You can view cameras in browser with subscription. Person, pet, and vehicle detection, full-length event recording. So that's pretty cool, and it is Wyze C4GY. This is the camera. It has indoor power adapter, by the way. So what comes with it is indoor power adapter, USB cable, wall plate, mounting tape, screw kit, quick start guide, and Wyze app required. So we have our app already installed. So let's open it and see what we have. With the quick start guide, it's pretty simple. I think it is pretty simple. It's nice instruction that you can follow step by step what you have to do. Then next, we're gonna get the camera. So our camera is actually pretty neatly packaged here, which I like a lot. I like actually the packaging of Wyze product. They are well done. By the way, some of the Wyze product can be bought in Home Depot, but I was in Home Depot last time and didn't see anything new, like only a few of them. That's maybe, in Ontario, it's not that a great selection. So the color of the camera is actually different. This time it is gray in comparison to all other cameras, which are white. So on the bottom we have SD card, rubber plug or rubber cover, and setup button, rubber cover. Alright, I'm not sure if this is magnetic. Yes, it is magnetic. A little pigtail where you connect your USB-C. No, I was so how to say, happy to see USB-C, but it is not. So it has 28mm lens, 4-megapixel sensor, I assume. Okay, so there's probably some infrared lights right here. So let's just peel this. And there is a fingerprint. There is a fingerprint, genuine someone's fingerprint right there under this sticker. Very nice. Let me show you if I can. So here is the photo of fingerprint. Yeah, hilarious. Thank you for useless sticker. Alright, so next we have a whole bunch of other things hiding in the box. Those are probably some mounting stuff and the power supply. So we have Wyze power supply, which is very standard power supply, nothing special. Output 5 volt, 1000 milliampere hours. Regular Wyze USB, micro USB cable, screws. I have probably a bunch of them by now. The wall plate, and so you stick like this to this, and then you do this. Essentially, it's gonna or screw it in through this hole, and then you mount your camera anywhere you want. The only thing is you have to make sure that this gonna be somewhere covered from the weather and elements. So this power supply is not water insulated. So let's talk about the camera. Oh yeah, on the back, what is this? You can just screw the camera straight to something. Yeah, you can screw in camera straight to something. I'm not sure if this is for this. Oh yeah, okay, you can do that. Like, look at this. It's a nice detail. So you can keep this thing as a, wow, that's pretty sharp. Look at this, it just cut. All right, pretty sharp plastic. I think this is the speaker, and it has to be a microphone right somewhere here. So there are two little holes here and here. I don't know if it's microphone, but could be some LEDs. Anyways, should be a microphone here. This is speaker. Yeah, looks like if I'm thinking about opening the camera, so this is the way how it's supposed to go. Okay, but that's gonna be in different video. I'm definitely gonna do a tear down of it. That's actually nice. I like this pigtail right here being secured. It can be just sitting on your desk or on a surface just like that. Like, so it's all good and dandy. So nice. It's actually quite big. It's this top. I'm not sure if it's bigger than V3, but it's certainly quite big, and integrated light is awesome. Okay, so I think it's a good time to power it up. I won't be using the power supply because I have my own micro USB connector. Let's just power it up. You see, and actually you can use pretty much anything that fits the bill. Okay, we have red light. So now let's do, so we did a little unboxing, let's do installation. So here we have our new Wyze app. So it's changed. I didn't even notice when it's got changed, but we have new app, and let's just add new device. So the idea is like this: device, cameras, Wyze Cam V4. Look at the latest. The light on the front will start flashing red. It is flashing red. Go next. Press setup camera under the camera.
Ready to connect.
It is ready to connect. Okay. Have to turn on the Bluetooth apparently.
Ready to connect.
Yes, let me turn on the Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is connected. Sorry, turned on. Let's do begin setup. Curious why they don't use NFC, but just like tap on it. Okay. So here, where I'm connecting this thing to particular wireless network, and I'm gonna use this.
Ready to connect.
Yeah.
Connection is in progress. Please wait.
Says nothing about supporting 5 GHz network. It would be nice to have 5 GHz, but whatever.
Setup completed.
Alright, it's just as easy as that. I just enter my Wi-Fi password for particular network I choose, and it is ready to connect. I'm gonna call it Wyze Cam V4. Or just Cam V4. Cam V4, because I have only Xam. Can have only one. Almost there. Basic for now. Continue. Yeah, I know. Skip. Finish. What is that? Aha, so spotlight is pretty wide angle. That's why they're saying that if you are put it too high to the ceiling, it's gonna glare and bounce off. That's weird, but okay. Complete. Oh, there is a firmware upgrade. Let me do it quickly. Okay, we have new firmware and loading live stream. Takes too much time. Looks the camera is alright. Alright, finally, after fiddling with Wi-Fi, I have a picture here. It's kind of working, but with quite a bit of delay, but yes. So here we have it. Can I do full screen? Yeah. Next. Let's start. So this is our full screen 2K video here, which is a bit showing parts of my workbench with some weird yellowish, how do you call it, white balance, which is actually changing on the fly. Oops, here's the box itself. So yeah, so it is clearly working. I'm not sure, I remember they say you can change it, switch it from like 2K, like I thought it's gonna be a button here. It's more like a zoom. Oh, here I are. Oh yeah, press it once. You can switch to HD, you can 360p, and obviously 360p gonna be much more snappier. Okay, I see, yeah. The focusing distance is this is probably about like 1 feet away from camera from the box, and it's not focusing properly because I think you see this text barely readable. Oops, it's my finger. Whoa. Anyways, it's a bit of a it's not a problem. It doesn't have to record anything up close, right? I don't want to do like a watching the ants or something with your camera. So here we are. I think camera is working fine. So it looks like picture quality in 2.5K 360 2.5K mode is pretty good. So I'm gonna provide also some samples which I recorded in for example in garage when it is dark, or outside when it is dark, and garage probably better, and some samples of video like outside a nice shiny day and in dark, because this is probably most important. Picture quality when there is a lot of light, and picture quality when there is no light and just night vision, and picture quality with the light. Oh, actually, how do I activate light? Yay, here's light. Yeah, it's not too bright. I thought it's gonna be stronger than that. Yeah, it's actually, if you look at it, it's pretty bright. There's a little button here to activate light. So I use my camera for giggles to watch after cat when we go travel. I put the camera close to where my cat sleeps, and with this light, oh, that's gonna be hilarious when they're gonna just turn it on when the cat sleeps. Gonna make some jokes on it. All right, so can we switch like infrared mode? No, we can't. Night mode. So we are pretty much done unboxing and setup. So what's left? So now we have to actually listen to the audio. Hello, this is Uncle Misha. Welcome to Into the Electronic Channel. Well, the sound quality turned to be more or less okay. So definitely I can talk to my cat if I need to. Hilarious. It was obviously with quite a lag, but I mean, nothing can do about it. It was like about half a second, about 1 second lag. It's all right. So now we have to see how the picture look like. So I'm planning to shoot and show you two samples of video, like my backyard, for example, during the nice full bright sun, and the backyard when it's dark at 2.5K. That's probably going to be good indication of like of the video quality. Also, I'm wondering, it says here 4 megapixels. I'm wondering, I'm wondering if I take photo, what kind of, there is a button here to take photo. I just took photo and it says footage saved to the device. I assume to the phone. Let me see what kind of quality is that. Okay, so here's the gallery and here's the photo. And let me see the info on it. Aha, it's actually 600 by 360. So it is 360p. So it's not gonna take 4 megapixel photos. It's gonna take photos which are equivalent to the settings of the camera. My camera right now, (2.5K), and I do take photo. It's saved to my device. I go to gallery. Here's the last one. And go info. Oh, it's actually 3.7 megapixels. When there is a 2.5K mode, the photos are taken almost in 4 megapixel mode. Very interesting. So yeah, this totally looks like 4 megapixel photo. It's like it's actually has quite it's my bench and stuff around. So yeah, it's actually pretty good quality. And you can even read the text like on these, well, I mean, not this little teeny tiny text, but like the cans. So there's like WD-40 and stuff that can read text on it. So yeah, it's clearly higher resolution. That is actually good. So anyways, so let's stop with that and then take some sample videos and we'll discuss our findings. Alright guys, as you saw, those videos are pretty good for my liking. Essentially, I like them. So I'm gonna share the samples of the video as video files on my website if you want to see and check those themselves. But this video is shot and edited in 2560 by 1440 just to make sure the video quality of the camera will not degrade as much. The only thing I do not understand why the camera switched from the color night vision into infrared mode. I thought it would have plenty of light. It was essentially a backyard, houses around and things like that, but it didn't. It did switch into infrared mode. Didn't like that. And unfortunately, there was no control over it. I couldn't bring it back into color night vision mode. So this is, I do not understand. If you have any comments about it, please share with me. Now, I think I'm gonna wrap up. Personally, I do like the camera and I'm gonna keep it. At least one unit I'm gonna have around house and or on the backyard. It is actually endured a few days of rain. I kept it outside probably for 3 days and it was actually quite rainy and looks like it's still operational, nothing wrong with it. I didn't show the video in the rain, maybe it was a good idea, but even has some dried water right in here on the lens, so I need some cleaning. I think camera is all right, is good quality pictures, good quality video. So definitely gonna keep it, and I would say I would recommend it actually. And these days is even on sale on Amazon, so you can get it a little bit cheaper. I think it's gonna be it for now. Guys, if you want to see more product review videos and things like that, repairs, tear downs, and just my 3D printing project, another electronic project, please subscribe to my channel. Please help me grow. You're gonna see a lot of cool content coming. Please stay tuned, stay safe, and ciao. See you next time.